Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Flexi rod set for the first time. So if you want to see how I got these results, stay tuned. Let's go. So today I'm going to be using the HCO leave-in conditioner and blow drying lotion by Design Essentials. I used to use this all the time when I had my perm. I'm also using the Almond and Avocado curl enhancing mousse, also by Design Essentials. So I'm going to be rolling my hair up in a corkscrew fashion. So this is going to give me like corkscrew looking curls versus spiral looking curls. And so what I do, I just make sure that the ends are smooth. And as you see here, I'm just wrapping my hair around the roller. This was so big I could barely get it around too many times. So I tried to get it as close to my scalp as possible. And what I'm doing here, I'm just folding the top over close to the root, so this way they'll be secure and they won't flop around. So here's a view from the back. So I kind of just bring the curl former all the way to the end, and then I just make sure those ends are smooth. I roll it up just a bit just so the hair can stay on the roller, and then I just spiral it up, and then I fold the top part close to the scalp. This way it'll be tight and secure, and that way it won't flop around. I just bring my hair to the end of the roller and I smooth it out with my thumb, and I use my free hand to just kind of help ravel my hair around the roller, and then I just secure the top and the bottom. So I'm just going to continue to install the Flexi rods around my whole head. Again, I'm using a mousse. I like to use mousse because it'll give you a shiny curl. The only thing that I've noticed about a mousse is that sometimes they're a little hard, like when you're trying to brush or comb your hair, they seem a little hard, but your curl will be shiny and it will be firm. So this is the last one, and I just wanted to give you a different view. Just rolling the ends, making sure they're smooth, and then I'm just spiraling it up, and I'm making sure those roots are tight so that they're straight as possible. This is the finished look. And so now I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 45 minutes. And to take the rollers out, I just straighten both ends, and then I just unravel the hair from around the roller. I like to unravel it in a spiral motion. Because I rolled them so thick, I probably could have sat under the dryer for another 15 or 20 minutes because they were damp when I was getting ready to take them out, but that's okay. I just pin curled my hair that night, and it came out fine the next day. So here I've just separated the curls a little bit just to give me a little bit more volume, and these are my final results. I hope you will give the Flexi rods a try. They give great results. Let me know if you give them a try and if you like them. Thank you for watching my channel, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.